asuntoskeittiö Karilassa.
Today it's the 12th of July 2022. This is amazing. Today it's on Vesijärvenkatu, 49 staircase G. We're starting from staircase G towards the first staircase A. This is the last one in this building, but there are 3 of them here from E to G that are built in 1973, while staircases A to D were built in 1970. There's a completely different ones, but this got to be early 1973.
Yeah.
Being 50 years old in the next year, 2023. It will be inspected again, and this number is H30781. This is 4% recognize. This is 2 rides. It's here in Lahti. Lahti is Finland.
Iskuttiit poikki vai iskuttaa nyt mietin pakoon.
Looks like they repainted them recently, but still in this beautiful olive green color. I like it.
The same.
Because it fits in here. Maybe it's always been olive green.
Yeah.
Or it's light olive green.
Yeah.
I like the smell in here also.
The same.
That's it, thank you very much. Let's go to the rest of the staircases.
That's